So how did he become patron saint of Wales? Well, already in 8th century Ireland, the 1st of March was noted as his day. Then there was Armes Prydain in the 10th century and the great struggles in the 12th. But the first official recognition we have is that by Henry Tudor, Henry VII, who funded St. David's Day with its leek in London after 1485. The leek was earlier, tradition has it, stemming from the Cressy campaigns of the French wars. The dragon, of course, was earlier still. It may have originated in a Roman flag. But from Henry VII on, the 1st of March has been David's Day with its dragon and leek. In the 19th century, most of the Welsh broke away from the church and became nonconformists. St. David's, which had become a bit torpid, and the first university college in Wales at Lampeter stood out like besieged Anglican fortresses amid a raging torrent of dissenters. Yet that was the period of growth. It was the Anglican Church which powered the first Welsh national revival. It was an Anglican bishop who sponsored Iolo Morgannwg and the Gorsedd of Bards in the Eisteddfod. Bishop Thirlwall and other churchmen revitalized the church, and then Owen M. Edwards got the 1st of March into every school in Wales with little plays, and Eisteddfods and Cardiff Arms Park and all the rest followed. Liberated by disestablishment after the First World War, this church in Wales was to develop a very powerful Welsh character, something I think which is not fully appreciated. Thousands of Welshmen, myself included, were brought up to regard this whole church as yr hen fradwres, the old traitress. Yet it was this church which was the first institution in Wales to raise a memorial to Dic Penderyn, martyr of the Merthyr Rising. Merthyr itself, hoary old capital of Welsh radicalism, didn't erect until much later, and then it was done at fictional second hand. So no wonder David has come to represent our national spirit. In the process, of course, this delightful daffodil has tended to replace the leek as a suitable emblem for him. The leek, after all, is a vulgar kitchen vegetable that expresses our ingrained Welsh petty bourgeois snobbery. No doubt, the Scots are much more self-confident than we are. They positively revel in the thistle. But I'd like to point out that the Welsh name for the daffodil is Cenhinen Pedr, St. Peter's leek.